Hello everyone, my name is Sharmistha and I'm a health coach with SugarFit. Today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic related to almost every diabetic. It's the relationship between diabetes and fitness. If you're going to exercise, you need to see how it affects your blood sugar. If you have diabetes or pre-diabetes, try this simple experiment. Check your blood sugar values before your exercise and then take it again after your exercise. And that will make you understand what the exercise is doing to your blood sugar. During exercise, insulin needs to be available to help your sugar to get into your cells. But at the same time, high levels of insulin in the blood would tell your liver not to release glucose, which in fact you would need because you need to keep your energies up. Yes, it's a bit complex. So let's learn some basics on this relationship between diabetes and exercise and see how you can use this to your advantage. I'm sure everybody knows that exercising is very beneficial, especially in diabetes. Let's understand more in details. So diabetes is generally of two types. It could be in one scenario when the insulin is not secreted in sufficient quantities, and in the second scenario where your body cannot use the insulin that is secreted maybe in sufficient quantities. The latter is also known as insulin resistance. Either way, the result is high level of blood sugar. When you exercise, your muscles take up the glucose from your blood for energy, thus regulating your blood sugar levels. Even if you are insulin resistant, exercise improves the effect of insulin, meaning it can also correct an insulin resistance with time. Let's talk about type 2 diabetes and exercising. In type 2 diabetes, the insulin that is secreted is not effective and fails to regulate the blood glucose levels. The risk of type 2 diabetes is greater in overweight individuals. It is also harder to control weight gain in individuals who have type 2 diabetes. It is proven to losing weight and maintaining a healthy weight will help you regulate your blood sugar levels. Exercising, as mentioned earlier, will reduce your blood sugar levels and also help you build some muscle mass that will help you become more stronger. Now let's talk about some important aspects of fitness and diabetes. The first one is going to be blood sugar levels. In diabetes, a constant high blood sugar level creates a lot of issues. To reverse your symptoms, diet optimization and exercise is only going to be your answer. Next one is glycation. It is the prolonged high blood sugar levels which are associated with accumulation of sugars in your joints. This can make your joints brittle and very weak, but exercising will definitely help delay this process. Next one is very common and it is seen in a lot of people. That is peripheral neuropathy. In simple language, it is the nerve damage that can lead to loss of sensation in your feet. Simple exercises like walking or even standing for a period of time can prevent this nerve damage. Here are some simple fitness tips for diabetic patients. Number 1, consult an expert. Consult your doctor before you start working out. They will guide you with precautions to be taken while you exercise. Second is one step at a time. Do not push your body off limits right from the beginning. Take baby steps and gradually increase the intensity of your workout. Third one is regular monitoring of your blood sugar levels. Keep a constant check on your blood sugar levels to be on a safer side before you begin your workout. Fourth is carry a simple carb with you. There is a chance of a drop of blood glucose levels when you work out. To avoid a mishap and any of such hypoglycemic episodes, keep something like a fruit or maybe a little bit of milk with you so that you don't land up having any issues. Fifth one is definitely going to be keep yourself hydrated. Even if you do not feel thirsty, keep sipping on water throughout your workout to keep yourself hydrated. Sixth one is yoga. For individuals who have joint problems, yoga or Pilates can be a great option for you to stay fit. Seventh and the last one is mind your feet. Keep checking on your feet for any blisters or wounds every day, since there is a risk of peripheral neuropathy. In case of any of these, contact your doctors regularly. Fitness is crucial in diabetic individuals. if you want to lose weight or reverse symptoms. One should make it a point to work out regularly. Apart from many consequences of high blood sugar levels, cardiovascular diseases are the biggest risk. This can be definitely avoided by focusing on fitness. You can choose any exercise of your choice and keep doing it regularly. 40 to 45 minutes of sessions 3 to 4 times a week can be a good target to start with. Keep at it and you definitely will reap amazing results. All the very best, and always remember, health is the real wealth. Thank you so much.